Boo. You are internet crush and you make me push with everything you spoke. With that first like almost. You are internet crush in a rush to make you notice me. Maybe posting your selfie. Well, that's all for today because it's my first vlog. I recommend to use headphones or if not, do it at your life. Okay. Well, actually, okay. So like and subscribe to my channel, Belen or Belen de la Cruz. So I'm a oh no, I'm not going to tell you that today because I'm going to post a video, well, about 10 facts, 5 facts about me. Okay, so I think it's time to say goodbye. Well, before that, annyeonghaseyo. Annyeonghaseyo for you guys because I'm really a Korean pop fan or K-pop fan. Okay, bye. I highly recommend to use headphones because my recording speaker is not that good. So I highly recommend using headphones. And please read the description down below, click the notification bell. But before you click the notification bell, please subscribe to my channel so you can be updated to my latest upload. So please read the description. Bye.